Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Amazon Prime Video in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store. Open it, and here in the store we'll be having search apps. Just search for Amazon Prime and we'll be having the Prime Video app. Select it and it has around 12,000 ratings. Just click on get. This will take some time to download and install. Just be patient for a while. Once the download is done, you will be having the open option, and if you go to search and type Prime, we'll be having the Prime Video. You can create a shortcut or pin it to Task Manager. Just click on open over here. And that's it. We'll be taken to the Prime Video interface. Here, make sure that you're checking on this create desktop shortcut also and click on allow. Now we'll be having the desktop shortcut over here. And that's it. You can simply sign in with your account and start using it. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.